we at Star Cement are really indebted to Indian Railways and in particular NF Railways for the exemplary support that we have received during this pandemic time, the uncertainties that was prevailing, and during this uncertain situation, the support that we have received from Indian Railways and NF Railway really helped us continue our activities uninterrupted manner. We are having one of the most efficient railway siding in this part of the country with 3 lines, and we could continue to operate this siding in an uninterrupted manner. Not even for a single day the siding stopped for want of any support from Indian Railways, and we could operate the siding in uninterrupted manner. And this was only possible because of the active support of each officer of NF Railway. Running our plant in uninterrupted manner during this pandemic time was just not possible without the support of each officer of our division and our zone. Railways not only supported us with supply of rakes as required, but also came up with innovative policies and innovative incentive schemes which made sure that we could achieve more traffic, and not only achieving higher traffic, it was making it more economical to us, which actually supported us in this problem time when all the other costs were going up. Indian Railways made sure that the costs are brought down, and we are supported at least on some front as far as cost is concerned. And with this support, we could make sure that that our products are made to reach to the consumers wherever they are required. And this was possible only because of these innovative policies that came up, like even the 10 wagon, we could load even 10 wagon for places where higher quantity cannot be sent in one consignment. While the entire country was reeling under problems related to pandemic problems, lockdown and disruptions, railways were working relentlessly and to ensure that the veins of the nation are not getting clogged. The unsung heroes of Indian Railways, which were making it possible, really needs to be complimented, really needs to be clapped for, and their hard work on the ground ensured that normalcy in smooth movement of goods and traffic in the entire country is ensured. Northeast as such is a very difficult terrain for logistical movements, and it is a logistical nightmare for any company to operate, and in this pandemic time it was even more so. While these problems were at hand, we were having one of the best support coming to us from Indian Railways. We are thankful for that.